Yeah, the camera is here.
No tickets right now. Nobody fast enough.
Look at the traffic Saturday. Going up north, then start vacation. More of the company start vacation now.
All the cars coming back right in front.
Anthony, he had 3 weeks vacation. Start yesterday too. His last day of work yesterday, then 3 weeks vacation. But he can file for too much.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we could too actually.
Because at least it's covered. I think 1 week or 2 weeks. I think 1 week. At least it's covered.
I think 1 week is off.
So, ito po ang St. Joseph. Last time namin na nagpunta, hindi kami dumaan dito kasi nga inaayos pa yung yung may bell. Tapos, hinatid lang kasi kami ng asawa ko. Di na kami pinagbayad sa guard doon. Kasi may $5 na bayad sana para sa parking lot. Kaso lang yung asawa ko may pupuntahan. Kaya, hinatid lang niya kami dito. So, hindi na siya nagbayad. Hindi kami pinagbayad sa guard na nagbantay. So, yan. Ito po ang St. Joseph Oratory. So, mga ilang beses na rin kami nagpunta dito.
By the way, dili man elevator.
Escalator. Wow, so beautiful. Ikaw na mo anak, mabalik mo tagsa. So, nakabili tayo ng oil.